You need to watch this if you care about civilian lives in conflict zones, exposing the facts behind a deadly military error in Nigeria. What really happened in Yobe State? On April 11, 2026, the Nigerian Air Force launched an airstrike in Yobe State aiming to target Boko Haram militants. But instead, the strike hit a crowded market in the village of Jili, killing at least 100 civilians, including children, according to Amnesty International. Dozens more were injured and are being treated at the local hospital. Officials say the strike was based on intelligence that militants had gathered near the market. The military claimed a successful attack on a terrorist hub, but did not acknowledge civilian deaths. Incidents like this are not isolated. At least 500 civilians have died in similar misfires since 2017. Amnesty International is now calling for an independent investigation. This tragedy is a stark reminder, in the fight against terror, it's often innocent lives that pay the highest price.